If I had to send 1,000 cold emails today and they had to make money, this is the exact AI-powered system I'd use. Hormozi's cold outreach strategy has brought him over $100 million and is very simple. Lead with insane value, personalize absolutely everything, and follow up like your business depends on it. So I rebuilt this whole system inside Google Sheets using a free tool called GPT Workspace, and you can do it too. All right guys, so here we basically got a sample list of leads. So here you get their name, email, company, industry, job title, location, recent activity. Recent activity, column number G, is gonna be the most important to us, okay? Because that's where all the personalization happens, and that's what GPT Workspace is gonna use to personalize our cold emails. Now you can scrape all this data using tools like Sales Navigator, Instantly, or LinkedIn. Essentially what we're going to do is we're going to start GPT Workspace by pressing that icon there, which you'll get after you download the extension. And then what you're going to do is you're going to paste a prompt here, and the prompt basically reads, write a cold email to job title at company, mention and open with their recent activity, then in the next line offer a free strategy guide for pain point. Okay, so that's the important part. Keep it casual but valuable, and this email should be around 100 words. We don't want it anything more they're not going to read it. You want it to make it look like it's personalized. You wouldn't personally send an email for more than 100 words. All right, for the email signature, my name is Smartlead and my company is called GPT Workspace. This is going to be for your signature at the bottom. All right, and then we're just going to paste it in. And now it's sent a nice cold email to John saying, hey John, I noticed you recently downloaded our AI white paper, great choice. I wanted to reach out and offer you a free strategy guide that tackles common challenges in implementing AI solutions effectively. I believe this guide could provide valuable insights for you and your team at Tech Hub. Let me know if you'd like me to send it your way. That's super personalized. And to create the same thing for everyone else, all we're gonna do is drag this down, all right? And it's basically gonna formulate the same thing for everyone else, as you can see. And bam, that's how we got personalized cold emails for everyone. All right, now the other thing that we want to do is with cold emailing, it's really important to follow up, okay? Around 80% of your leads aren't going to reply to your first email. I think the number's even more than that. Most of it happens actually on the follow-ups and making sure we continuously follow up with them and we land in their inbox. So we're going to draft 3 follow-up messages using a prompt, and GPT Workspace is going to do all the work. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go write a 3 email follow-up sequence that builds trust and reminds the lead of the value that you're bringing, which is the strategy resource. Mention the free resource again, but add a time-sensitive CTA, which is urgency. Again, that creates urgency without pressure. Example, only valuable for free for the next 72 hours. Want me to send you the playbook? Just provide an example. That way it has a good idea what it's going to do. Also add a PS line with this testimonial, which is this free resource reduced our CAC and our CPL. Highly recommend from this business, Gem GPT. So this is where you can insert a testimonial that you or your business has gotten, like company that got results, and then make sure that you are doing A to H2, so it also reads the cold email that you previously have created, all right? That's really important. Now, the reason why we want to add the PS line is that studies have shown after the first 2 sentences, the PS line is the next most read sentence. So it's a really good point of real estate to use in your email. So all we're going to do again is press enter. It's going to cook up the follow-up emails for John here. And now it's created 3 follow-up emails that we can send to John. And all we need to do again is drag this to all our leads, and it's going to create all the cold emails for us automatically. Boom, just like that. Now this is an amazing resource to send thousands of cold emails that are super personalized, something that you might not be able to do without the use of AI. That's going to significantly increase your open rates and your reply rates, and hopefully get you some more booked calls or whatever the outcome is that you want, and add some revenue to your business. Now, do you want to follow along this exact process? Well, if that's the case, the link to GPT Workspace is below. All you got to do is install it, plug in your lead list, and start sending emails that actually get replies.